Welcome everyone. I am back. Today's July the 6th, 2022. DraftKings. This is what the chart is saying right now in the market in DraftKings. I know you all may have been wondering what's going to go on into the market in DraftKings. Don't worry about it because I got you. I am here. I will be your voice of reason in the midst of all of these other YouTubers giving you a whole lot of fluff and hype and FOMO and FUD. I'm here because while they have quit, they've stopped creating these buy videos for these stocks to going off talking about some other stuff because they don't understand how the market works. See, what we need to do is we need to be one of the first ones positioned to win, right? A lot of the stocks that I've covered, we're seeing some support being created. We're seeing instances to where price is trying to run up. Now, before these other YouTubers get back on the bandwagon, best believe that the market would have already gone up. And it may be too late for them because the moment that they come out and start creating their, buy DraftKings videos or Palantir videos or Tesla videos, it may be just too late. That's when the market will flip and turn. That is why I'm here, so that we can already be ready for these run-ups, because a lot of the stocks are creating a move higher. Be prepared. That's the name of the game. You guys appreciate my videos, my content. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm not here to give you no fear. I once was in your shoes. I once questioned how in the world can we win in the stock market? How? This game could not be this complicated. Who are the people who created this game to be so complicated? And I don't think a lot of people have came to the realization to think that maybe this complication that's in stocks, maybe it was to do just that. To make it hard for us to think that this game cannot be won. But it can. Check this out. I did a video on DraftKings on June the 22nd, 2022. See? Check this out right here. You guys can see I was looking for the price in DraftKings to run up, to go higher. And check this out. This is how powerful this information is. I told you that I was looking for the market to run to around $14.50. That is exactly where the market topped out at. We were in that vicinity. See that? Look at that. How could you have known that? Because the answers are already on the chart. That's how you'll know when you need to get in and when you need to get out the play. Right here on June the 27th, right? That's 18% run up. See, we was down here at $12 when I did the video. In 3 days, 4 days, 18%. That's why you need to have that plan. It's amazing for you to see those things without having any expensive charting software. You don't need to have no algorithm. You don't need to look at the company's fundamental analysis. You don't have to do none of that micro or macro economics. No, look at what people are already doing. So, pretty good call. We still may have an opportunity to see if DraftKings run back up to that $14.50 price. Look at what happened yesterday. See, money don't lie. Just yesterday. Look at that. What happened yesterday? Money don't lie. You guys can see that the market in DraftKings closed up 10%. Money's on the move. Look at DraftKings on a different time frame. Okay, let's look at this on the 2-day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this because I need to clean this up because what we're noticing is that the market price in DraftKings is breaking this long-term trend. This 2-day price bar all the way to this last current most recent one. Price has been trading above that descending line. So the dynamics is changing. It's just that simple. We are outside of this downtrend in DraftKings, so we need to switch it. We got to change it. When the market changes, we change. So Let me go ahead and fix this, because I don't think the market in DraftKings is in a downward trend right now. This is where we're at. We're consolidating. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that we cannot profit off the move in DraftKings going up, because clearly we can. 18%. So this is going to be our focus point. Now, I still see strength here in DraftKings. I still suspect that the market is trying to move up. That's the 2-day. This is DraftKings on the 3-day time frame. See, if the market didn't believe, those who are invested, those who trade DraftKings, if they didn't think that DraftKings was trying to move up, we would not have that 3-day price bar that the arrow is currently pointing down to. See, the market is still trying to run up in DraftKings. So it looked like we may have another opportunity to see price in DraftKings move higher. Okay. Right there. See, even though the market is not going anywhere, we can still make money. That is one of the craziest reasons why I don't understand why so many of these YouTubers want you all to hold money for the next 15 years. Money's supposed to be fluid. It's supposed to be utilized. It's not supposed to be locked up for 10, 15, 20 years. Now you can. There are exceptions. I understand. But that is very few and far between. So why not, in the midst of you keeping some of that money locked up, take some of it and play around to make more? That's what I'm looking at right now in DraftKings. Okay. So I'm looking for the market to continue to go up. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction here, because it already ran up to where we pretty much expected it to go. And we're going to create another one. Okay. So seeing that the market in DraftKings only ran up to this level, that's going to be our first price target, a little bit lower. Okay, $14.25. That gives us 9.71% run up. Second price target is going to be up there around 15. That gives us 14.75% there. Outside of that, we'll come back in and do another video. Okay, because if we see this, let me show you something. If we see this, if this happens, right? So let me give you the play. Let me draw a forecast on the chart for you. So let's say this happens, right? The market goes up in DraftKings. Okay, the market breaks $15 above, breaks this restriction line. Market comes back down and holds support above 15, then that confirms us that the market's going to continue to go up. Just like that. So that is what I'm going to be on the lookout for us to understand the continuation of move higher if the market does not break back down below 15. The buyers will hold price, right? If they have an ultimate objective to take DraftKings to like $20 or $25, then they know that they have to come back in and buy here. So they'll buy here in order to move the market back up to $19, $20 in the long term. It's just that simple. Let's not make this complicated. All right, so this is what I'm looking forward to now. I want to know what is your price target, your price prediction into the market in DraftKings, and what do you think we're about to go? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.